Hi students, how are you? Today we are starting exercise 6.2 question number 5. Now children, here in question it is given that DE parallel to OQ children. DE is parallel to OQ. DF is parallel to OR. This DF is parallel to OR. Prove that this EF is parallel to QR. Meaning is what children? This we want to prove parallel. Meaning is if we are able to prove this condition, we can say that EF parallel to QR. Let us start proof children. Here in triangle PQO, in this triangle PQO, this triangle children, DE is parallel to OQ. This DE is parallel to OQ. Therefore what children? PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. In triangle POR, children, in this triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. This DF is parallel to OR. This is children given. Here also this is given. Therefore, PF upon FR equal to PD upon DO. Result number 2. Now children, comparing 1 and 2, we can see that both the right hand sides are same. Therefore, these two are equal children. Okay. Here I suggested that if we are able to prove these two are equal, so here we have proved equal. Therefore, by converse of theorem 6.2, in triangle PQR, EF parallel QR. This EF parallel QR. Okay children, understood? Now let us start question number 6. A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR. See that A is on OP, B is on OQ and C is on OR. AB parallel PQ, AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. Prove that BC is parallel to QR. In triangle OPQ, AB parallel PQ, therefore OA upon AP, OB upon BQ. This is theorem number 1 children. In triangle OPR children, AC parallel PR, OA upon AP equal to OC upon CR. Comparing 1 and 2 children, in triangle OQR, OB upon BQ equal to OC upon CR. By converse of theorem 6.2, in triangle BC parallel QR. That we wanted to prove. So this way children, we have proved BC parallel QR. Now question number 7. Now say children, in triangle ABC, P is a midpoint of AB. See here, P is a midpoint of AB. A line drawn parallel to BC and passing through P intersects AC at Q. Here we have drawn a line passing through P parallel to BC intersects at Q. Prove that this Q is a midpoint of AC. Let us start proof children. Since in triangle ABC, PQ parallel BC, given PQ parallel BC, a line drawn parallel. Okay. Therefore, AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Okay. Now, P is the midpoint of AB. So what? We know that if P is the midpoint of AB, so AP equal to PB. This PB bring in denominator, AP upon PB equal to 1. Now compare children this 1 and 2. So we are getting AQ upon QC equal to 1. These both are same. So this equal to this. Okay. Now bring QC here. So AQ equal to QC. Therefore Q is the midpoint of AC. That we wanted to prove. Q is the midpoint of AC. Now children, next question 8, 9, 10 homework. Okay, let us proceed next topic. Criteria for similarity of triangles. In the previous section we stated that two triangles are similar if first one, their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Meaning is corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in ratio. If these two conditions are satisfied for these two figures, we can say that given two triangles are similar triangles. Now children, from this we learn that if we want to prove these two triangles are similar, we have to check first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. There are 6 conditions we have to prove. Once again I am telling you children, this is first condition, આ બંને ભેગા કરો એટલે સેકન્ડ, આ થર્ડ. એટલે કે corresponding angles equal ચેક કરવાના અને corresponding sides નો રેશિયો તમે ગોતો. આ સાઈડ આ રેશિયો ગોતો, આ રેશિયો ગોતો, આ રેશિયો ગોતો. એ ઇક્વલ મળે તો તમે કહી શકો કે આ બે ટ્રાયેંગલ સિમિલર ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. ઓકે, હવે આપણે અલગ અલગ ક્રાઇટેરિયા ગોતવાના છે કે આ 6 કન્ડિશનના બદલે મિનિમમ 3 કન્ડિશન કે 2 કન્ડિશન જો આપણી પાસે હોય તો પણ આપણે આ બે ટ્રાયેંગલને સિમિલર પ્રૂવ કરી શકીએ છીએ. તો પહેલા આપણે જુદી જુદી કન્ડિશન જોશું. લેટ અસ સ્ટડી થિયરમ 6.3. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. Meaning is what children? A condition is this. A. Given is what? A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F. To prove that their sides are in same proportion and hence we can say that given two triangles are congruent because both the conditions are there. So we can say that. So proof is given children here. You can read this proof and you can prepare it. Okay. So this condition is known as A condition. Okay children. So proof is given here. Very nicely it is explained and very easy. You can pause the video and you can prepare it. Just I am giving you hint. Theorem 6.1 is used here. So this 2 proved and this is there and these 2 are already there. So we can compare all 3 children. Okay. Now children, if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangles, then the two triangles are similar. So here this is known as AA criterion. Okay, AA similarity criterion for two triangles. Meaning is what children? Instead of considering all 3 angles, if we take any 2 and if these 2 angles are congruent, equal, then we can say that given two triangles are similar triangles. Now children, theorem 6.4, this is SSS condition. If in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangles, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar children. Okay. Here proof is given children. Very easy proof that you can prepare yourself. Just I am giving you hint children. See, this is given in figure 6.26. This ratio is less than 1 that you can see in the figure. So this is children figure. Here you can see that. Okay. This is given condition. It can be seen. Okay, and P equal to E, Q equal to F, and therefore this ratio. Okay, so this ratio Clear? And so BC equal to PQ, and therefore two triangles are similar triangles. And so A equal to D, B equal to D, this is also there because it is obvious if this similarity is there. Now theorem 6.5, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Children, this is known as SAS criterion. Okay, side ratio, angle and side ratio. Side angle side we call it, but in congruent we were telling side angle side, but here meaning is side ratio. Okay, so proof is given here, children. Where is the proof that you can do it? See here, AB upon D, AC upon DF less than 1 ratio we have taken, and angle A equal to D. This is given condition, children. Okay, now cut DPAB and DQAB, join them here. Okay, so A equal to D, B equal to P. So these two all corresponding angles are equal, therefore similarity is there. Example 4, children, homework. Now example 5 is very important for us, children. Okay, it is in our syllabus. Children, figure is given this. From this figure find out P, children. Okay. Now children, આવી કમ્પેરિઝન ન કરતા, અહીંયા 80 છે તો આ 80 હશે, આ 60 છે તો P 60 અને C તો કંઈ જરૂર નથી, એમ કરીને ઉડાડી ન દેતા. અત્યારે સુધી મેં જે ભણાવ્યું એ ભલે સિલેબસમાં હોય કે ન હોય, એનો યુઝ કરીને આ પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે, બરાબર? તો પહેલાં આપણે આ જોશું. આ જે AB સાઈડ છે, અહીંયા મેઝરમેન્ટ આપ્યું છે, તો આનું ડબલ ક્યાં છે તો કે અહીંયા છે. તો AB અને RQ એનું રિલેશન છે, BC અને ડબલ અહીંયા છે તો આ PQ નું રિલેશન છે. એ જ રીતે આ ડબલ અહીંયા છે. તો પહેલા SSS કન્ડિશનનો યુઝ આપણે કરશું. We have two triangles, children. Now see that AB upon RQ is 1 upon 2, 3.8 upon 7 by 6, 1 upon 2. Children, question એવો થાય કે AB upon RQ જ કેમ લીધું? તો પહેલાં એક જનરલ સેજ જોઈ લેવું પડે કે અહીંયા 6 અને અહીંયા 12 છે તો આનું રિલેશન ડબલનું છે, તો આ તરત દેખાય એવું છે. હવે આને નાનું કંઈ રિલેશન નથી પણ આને નાનું રિલેશન છે, બરાબર? તો એ પાછું અહીંયા જોવા મળશે, AC upon PR તો હાફ મળ્યું, આ પણ હાફ મળે છે, આ પણ હાફ મળે છે. તો એનો મિનિંગ શું થયો કે this equal to this equal to this, this all are half. Therefore by SSS triangle ABC is similar to, children આ જે લખવાનું છે ને તે બહુ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. પહેલાં આપણે ABC એમને લખી નાખીએ, બરાબર? ABC સિમિલર ટુ, આ સિમિલારિટીનો સિમ્બોલ છે, તો અહીંયા ટ્રાયેંગલ લખશું, બરાબર? તો કેવી રીતે ચાલશું? ABC આમ ચાલ્યા તો સીધું આપણે લખી નાખીએ RPQ. નહીં, AB કોની સાથે રિલેટેડ છે? RQ સાથે. તો અહીંયા પહેલા RQ લખશું, બરાબર? પછી કોણ આવે છે તો કે વધ્યું કોણ? P. અહીં P લખી નાખો. ઓકે, પાછું ચેક કરી લો કે BC જે છે પાછળના બે લેટર, તો એ બે પાછળના લેટર સાથે ટેલી થાય છે? યસ, BC અને PQ થાય છે. ફર્સ્ટ અને લાસ્ટ ચેક કરો. AC છે તો RP છે, RP છે, અહીંયા AC છે. તો આ રીતે તમારે સિમિલારિટી ચેક કરતા હો. જો આ ઓર્ડર તમે ભૂલથી આવી રીતે PQR લખી નાખ્યું તો મેળ નહીં પડે. જુઓ, AB અને PQ, AB અને PQ આ રિલેશન છે, તો પછી એ રીતે તમારું એડજસ્ટ થઈ જશે. તો અહીંયા શું તમે કરશો? A અને P ઇક્વલ કરી નાખશો, તો A80 છે તો P80 લખી નાખશો, પણ એવો આન્સર નહીં આવે. Okay, children, come to this. And so similarity is there. Therefore, by definition, corresponding angles are equal. So, A equal to R, B equal to Q, C equal to P. See in the diagram. A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this. Sorry children, here A equal to R, B equal to Q છે. This B equal to Q, તાવળમાં ખોટું કહેવાઈ ગયું. A equal to R છે, પણ B equal to Q છે અને C equal to P છે. Okay, so here C equal to P છે children. Now in triangle ABC we know that A plus B plus C equal to 180. C એમને રહેવા દો, A અને B આ બાજુ લાવો. A અને B ની વેલ્યુ આપી દીધી છે. This total is 140. So angle C equal to 40. But C and P are equal. Therefore what children? Therefore angle P equal to 40 children. Now children, this is important sum. It is in our syllabus. Prepare this sum thoroughly children. અહીંયા SSS કન્ડિશનનો યુઝ કર્યો છે એ બરાબર સમજો. પછી કોરસ્પોન્ડિંગ એંગલ્સ આર ઇક્વલ થાય છે એ પણ સમજવાનું છે. ઓકે. Example 6 homework children. It is very easy. You can do it. Now example 7. Children, one girl of a height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post. આ છોકરી અહીંયા આ પોઈન્ટથી આ બાજુ ચાલતી ચાલતી આ બાજુ આવે છે. Her speed is 1.2 meter per second. Meaning is 1 સેકન્ડમાં એ 1.2 meter ચાલે છે. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, this length height is given 3.6 meter. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Children, here her shadow is DE. This is X we have taken. Here it is given. So question is, find out this X, length of the shadow we want to find. Children, this girl from here she walked and she reached here. Now this is DE her shadow because of this lamp. Question is, find out this length X. Now children, BD we want to find. It is 1.2 meter into 4. 4 means 4 seconds. 1 સેકન્ડમાં 1.2 મીટર એ વોક કરે તો 4 સેકન્ડ્સમાં કેટલું કરે તો 4.8 મીટર. Now children, in triangle ABE and CDE, angle B equal to D. Children, આ આપ્યું નથી પણ અહીંયા બ્રેકેટમાં રીઝન લખ્યું છે કે both are. Both means what? A girl is standing and lamp post is standing. Means both the angles are 90 degrees. See the figure. Now children, here is right angle and here is also right angle. So angle B and angle D are equal. Now children, EE, angle E is equal to angle E. Means this angle E is here, this angle E is here. Both the angles are equal because it is same angle. Now children, by AA similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. Children, in earlier talk in this same video I explained this, but once again I am showing from where this condition we have taken. Page number 132 children, this AA condition is given. Okay, from here we have taken this condition. So children, two triangles are similar triangles, therefore their corresponding sides means ratio will be same. So BE upon DE. ચલો પાછળના બે લેટર લીધા તો આ પણ પાછળના બે લેટર લેવાના, BE upon DE. AB આગળના બે લેટર લીધા તો અહીંયા પણ આગળના બે લેટર, AB upon CD. Now children, see the figure. What is BE? 4.8 plus X. BE means what children? See here, BE means BD plus DE. So this is 4.8 just now we have found here. This is found BD. So BD plus DE is equal to BE, and BD is 4.8. This is X we want to find. So BE equal to 4.8, DE already X, AB is 3.6 and CD is 0.9. Children, how 0.9? CD is height of the girl children. This CD is height of the girl children. So height of the girl is 90 centimeter is given. Centimeter to meter if we want to go, divide by 100. So it is 0 cancel. So it is 0.9 meter. So 0.9 meter written here. Now children, 4.8. This 4x, how 4x? So it is 36 upon 9, 10 by 10. 36 by 10, 9 by 10, this 10 comes here, 10 cancel, 9 4s. So this is 4, here we will get 4, multiply x here, so it is 4x. Bring this x this side, so it is 3x, 4.3x equal to 4.8, x equal to 1.6. Show the shadow of the girl after walking 4 seconds. 4 for 4 seconds is 1.6 meter long, children. Example 8, children. It is in homework, children. Prepare yourself. Very easy it is. You can do it. Exercise 6.3, children. We will do in next video session. Okay, children. We will meet next time. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, children.